Select the type tool on your toolbar, and now you can create a title directly in your video using the type tool in a program monitor. Then press and drag to create an area for text, and you will see the cursor appears. And now you can start typing whatever you want, like literally. And then you will see the text layer appears right above your video track. Besides that, you can select your selection tool and change the duration of your text by clicking on the end of the text layer on your timeline and make it shorter or longer. So look at your effect controls panel, and right here you can change the font of your text and also decrease or increase the size of your text. Right below you can see the fill box. You can click on this and change the color of your text. And also you can adjust the stroke, but make sure the stroke box is checked. And you can increase the stroke width, and you can make your text bold, italic, or all caps. And you can decrease or increase spacing between the letters. And yeah, I think that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, that way you don't miss future tutorials. See you next time.